Hello, I get asked time and time again how to deal with your hair when it's windy, and like some days like this where it's just kind of windy and you really can't do much with your hair, you know what, just own it. Just own your hair. So basically here I am, I'm gonna go out today, the wind's blowing, I brushed my hair a bunch of times, can't do anything about it, I'm just gonna own it. As always, rock and roll, and of course it does compute. If you like this type of content, subscribe to my channel because that would totally compute. Computed, yeah. Own your hair. I'm happy I have hair. Yeah. So you just do it just like that.